Hey guys, so let's get into the review of Affili Weapon. Okay, my name is Chayan Sarkar and let's get into the review. Okay, so it is a dashboard of Affili Weapon and you can see there are some options in this dashboard, and one by one I will show you all of the options. Okay, so there are some pre-made websites, done for you websites, totally front-end page, and or you can say opt-in page, and then bonuses are given in this, and totally every page is high quality page. One by one, let me introduce one by one these options. First option is Affili Weapon dashboard, and after this it is sites, and then trainings, support, freebie, traffic, everything. So let me click on training. Okay, so on this training section you can see there are two given videos, or maybe there are more. As this is review version, that's why I am not getting all of the videos. In the purchased version you maybe get all of the videos. Okay, so it is the training section, and after that it is support section. If there is any problem with the software with you, then you can get easy support, easy help from them. Nothing else where you will get the support. Only you will get the support from here. And this is freebies and offers. These are the previously launched software of this vendor, and this is coming on offer in the software already, and maybe some offers will be added, maybe not, it is surely maybe some offers will be added in future. And this is the traffic option. This is one of the maybe I think it is the most vital thing in the software, because you can get the free traffics from this section. Let me click on this. Okay, so as I clicking on this, you can see this is traffic easy software, another software. This is traffic easy. You have to log in it, then you can access it. Because as this is a review version, I have not tried to log in it, but you can log in it once you have purchased. Maybe I also logged in it, I can also log in it, but I have not tried. Okay, so this is traffic easy, another software, and with this you can easily select your traffic, what kind of traffic you needed. You can select the country, you can select how much traffic you want, organic or inorganic, how much free traffic you want, as this software is already integrated with Traffic Easy. Okay, so my video recorder is not paid, that's why I can only record 3 minutes at a time. So let me restart my recorder. Okay, so let me restart it. Okay, so where I was on Traffic Easy. So this is a software. Affili Weapon is already integrated with it to giving you free traffics. Okay, so let me introduce now the site section. There are some sites already given to you, and you can create a new site. Let me click on create new site. Okay, so as I click on this, they will redirect me. There may be some technical problem. Let me click another time. Okay, it is showing me that there is a problem. I don't know what is debugging in WordPress. Maybe these sites run on WordPress. I don't know exactly. Yes, now it has come. So I can create from scratch, or I can click on given template. Let me choose any given template. Okay, so it is not running now properly. Okay, so let me choose any of this given template. Okay, let me customize this. So there are 3 options. You can see them. You can delete the page and you can customize it. So you can see there is a cool tool, or you can say pack of tool. Okay, you can easily customize any of this section, any of this word, any font, anything you want. Whatever comes into your imagination, you can change in this page. Okay, and you are also getting this type of bonuses day by day with this software. Okay, so they will give their bonuses, and you also can add your bonuses up once you have purchased it. Okay, so this vendor is already reputed vendor and have some good launches previously. Okay, so this was a software overview. I think there are so many options, and you can easily click on this, and this is a quick customization tool. Also, this is some there is some customization tool, and this is page settings. You can easily do anything you want in this. Okay, once you have purchased it, you can easily do this whatever you want. You can add your image, your advertisement, your everything, your product, your bonus, your everything. You can this is high quality funnel page. You can see this is totally awesome and really noticeable page. Okay, so one of the high quality funnel page is given by the software, and you can also you are also getting the free traffics. This is really insane. I have not seen like this before. Okay, so this is the software, and let me restart my video. Okay, so this is the software. Okay, now let me show you my bonuses. Okay, so once you have clicked on this video description link, maybe the top link or middle link or bottom link, whatever link you want, you can click and you will be redirected to this page. This is the page where you will get the software easily with my exclusive $5,296 bonuses. Okay, so let me show you why I am saying it $5,296. Okay, so it is a meme created by me. I like you to buy this with a big smile. That's why I always try to create a meme with any review. Okay, so these are the things and why you should need this software. You should grab this software. Okay, whatever you want to be a success affiliate marketer, and you will get easily everything in the software. They are totally done for you. This is a totally done for you software. All is done for you. You can easily. So the rating is also good 9.5 overall rating. As I put my cursor on the rating, it is showing me the rating. These are the key features. This is totally world first time I am seeing that they are claiming that they are giving you free organic traffic, okay. I don't know exactly organic traffic or not, but it is free traffic. It is, and you are getting free traffic, thousands of free traffic a day. What else you need? Okay, so these are the points I have mentioned here, and I have still not found any cons. This software can makes you good constant money, and this is only this is coming at only $19. Okay, so this is the bonuses, and once you click on this link, you will be redirected to the software, and also you can access my bonuses. Okay, so what is Affili Weapon? Everything is given on this. Okay, on this page, this is an example of high quality page, and inside this whatever I already tell you, I have mentioned here on written version. Okay, so this is a demo video. You can check this demo video. This is very much useful. Okay, so these are the testimonials of so many affiliate marketers, 5 affiliate marketers, big marketers. Okay, so who can use this list is big. Okay, so these are the product owner, Sean Ogundele and Jason Fulton. Okay, so this is my words. As this tool can save you so many precious time of you can easily earn happiness and moment spending those time. Okay, so you should go for it. This is strongly recommended. Okay, so let me restart my recorder. Okay, so I have started my recorder. So this is the funnel. This is the front end price of the software, and in upgrade version, once you have get one upsell version, you can it will charge you $47, then another $47. So this is the upsells version. You can check this by yourself. Okay, coming on this page, these are the bonuses I am collecting for so many days, and I have picked it one by one from the previous launches, from anywhere I am searching. I have searched here and there, then I have collected these. Okay, so let me show you what bonuses I am giving you. As you are already checking this software, you want to buy it, so I would tell you or suggest you to buy from them who are giving more than this software. buy from them. If they are not giving such kind of bonuses or not, then it is meaningless to buy from them. You can buy from me. Okay, so always always prefer your choice, and always try to people want to see their benefits. Okay, this is my vision. Okay, so these are the bonuses. I have already mentioned only 70 bonuses, because there are so many, more than 100 products which I have collected from so many days, and I am unable to mention each of these on this page, because this will be lengthy. The page will be very much big and it will be boring for you. That's why I have put everything in a folder and stuff, and I have named it mega bonuses, and 70 bonuses I have mentioned here, and I want you to check by yourself from visiting on this page, because I don't want to make the video lengthy. Already it has been lengthy. Okay, so I want you to click on the description link and came to this software and buy this if you want to do affiliate marketing. It is only recommended for affiliate marketing or who want to earn from online. Okay, so this is one of the must tool and permanent tool of your bag. It will be a permanent tool of your bag. So once you have purchased this software, you will be redirected to this page where you can get this blue button. Once you have clicked on this, you will have the access of these bonuses. Okay, so by clicking on this button, you can also go through the bonuses, and this is some frequently asked questions. So that was the review. I am signing out, so bye bye.